GBA partybox 130. This is the latest. Amp up with GBA legendary sound. A sound boost makes everything hit harder. Futuristic light show. Turn up the party with Auracast. Dual mic and guitar inputs. Foldable ergonomic handle. Seamless high quality audio connectivity. The box, I'll do that. Wow. Okay. What do we have here?
Yes.
Cable. İyi. Ne alacağım ben? Cable. What is this? User manual. Okay. And here we have the big speaker. Wow. Wow.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see the speaker. Küçük ben hatırladım. Wow. This is the handle. Wow. Look at this. Electric shock. It's got rubber handle.
Okay.
Bottom, I mean. Nice handle. It's got GBA logo. Okay. Let's turn it around. It's got the battery. Oh, it does come with a battery.
Okay.
Huh. And I bought 2 batteries on Amazon. And then I have these connections here. USB-C. This is the link. Microphone, guitar. All right. Nice. Bass. Okay. Let's turn it around. On the side. The bottom. We have this thing we can remove because I'm gonna put it on a speaker stand. Let's see. Let me turn it on since okay, there. Oh, wow. Wow, what did that is? Okay, milyen szép.
Igen.
Wow. Okay, jó.
Unable to move or feel. I left the darkness behind me. This is the new me.